Okay, today we're going to be talking about the WildFish 6-piece fillet set. I absolutely love this because it comes with this very own carrying case, and it is beautiful. It fits right into a backpack. It fits right into your boat. It's easily transported. This is the actual way it came, but I keep this on here. I'm going to keep it until this kind of breaks down. So let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. And then this is the case that it comes in. It's very durable. It can be packed away in a backpack, like I had said, or just like slipping it right inside of a boat. That's how thin it is right there. So you're looking at about 1.5 inches. And also, like these clasps that are here, it keeps it very secure and stable. So let's go ahead and take a look, open it up. And that's what it looks like. That's your case right there. It comes with a nice portable small cutting board. This works especially if you don't have that much room on your boat. You can just sit it off onto the side or sit on top of your cooler. You can work with your bait, chop it up right there without messing anything up. I love the fact that these knives have the high visible orange on it, and they also have these grasping grooves here so that you can work with the knife, especially if it's wet. The handle's rubberized so that you have a nice grip so you're not going to slip off, cut yourself. It also has these eyelets on each one of the knives. If you wanted to tie some 550 cord to it, or if you got the ones that had the sheaths, you could even just like let them sit and hang off of your table when you're doing all of your heavy duty cleaning there. So this set is perfect. It fits in very snug, like it's custom for it. Very easy to sharpen. I love the fact that it does come with that sharpener. So you can just do it right then and there a few times, and then you're right back on your fish. It comes, the blades, actually 420 stainless steel blades. The soft rubber handles are patented. So these are the only guys that are out here making this particular handle. It fits very nicely in your hand. You see how it's curved instead of just straight, and then your fingers fit in there. And then you have those grooves right there with your thumb, or if you're doing some actual delicate work in there, it fits perfect and wonderful. So you have a 7.5 inch fillet knife that comes with it. So if you're working on something a little bit bigger, that's perfect knife. And look at that bend, so you can get right underneath that skin, filleting that fish all the way down to where you need it to be. It comes with the 6 inch fillet knife as well. Not as bendy, but it's a little bit more sturdy in case you're working through some fat and get a little bit more leverage on that. So it works 100% fine. I love it. One of the best things that I have purchased in a long time. And then it also have the 5 inch two-sided utility knife. Got a scaler, and it's got a serrated edge as well. So it's a 2-in-1 knife, and once again it does have the rubberized handle to where you can see the grooves, how they fit in your hand, and then that thumb groove back here, so that especially if you're going to be scaling, you just and it works. It's not going to slip off. And very sharp. It came very sharp. I didn't even have to sharpen these the first time when I first got it. So I was happy with that. And I say probably with about 20 fish, it'll run through about 10. You're going to sharpen it probably like right in the middle of doing all of that. And put it back in there. There we go. And then, like I said, it comes with this sharpener. It does have a little lip in case you're sharpening back towards you. It does have a little bit of a lip to help in case you slip and cut yourself. However, always go away from your body. People don't, and the only thing I wish that it would do was to have this lip come out a little bit more as a guard, so if you slip, you're going to hit that guard instead of taking off the top part. That's user error and not WildFish makeup. That's just my own personal preference, and that's what I like. It comes with that. It comes with the cutting board. Like I said, you can see how it has the cross hatches in there, so it's very easy to clean off. I like it because it does have this handle so that you're able to carry it as well, especially if you were cutting up some bait and you're let's say you're on a kayak or something smaller like a canoe, and you have this, you can just set it on your knees and it cut up your bait, and you keep everything pretty much steady, and everything works with that as well. And it works for smaller panfish. You can use it for that. And this even, it doesn't just sit in here, it clips in, and then you're ready to go. Close it up, and there you have it. It's the WildFish 6-piece fillet set. Sliding it back into a sheath. That way it also helps me see what's in it as well. Had it for about 2 years and it works. The case is made in the United States, but the knives are made in China. So there you have it. Happy fishing.